The Sixth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution mandates protections for criminal defendants at trial. The Texas Constitution and Texas Code of Criminal Procedure not only duplicate some of these rights, but in some cases they provide even more protection than the U.S. Constitution does. Just like the Sixth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, the Texas Constitution and Code of Criminal Procedure require a speedy public trial. Both the Texas Constitution and CCP also require an impartial jury. Just like the U.S. Bill of Rights, the Texas Constitution and CCP provide you the right to demand the nature and cause of the accusation. In other words, to know what offense or offenses you are being charged with. The Texas Constitution and CCP go a bit further, though. Both documents give a criminal defendant the right to have a copy of the written charges. The U.S. Constitution, Texas Constitution, and Code of Criminal Procedure all give criminal defendants the right of being heard by himself or counsel or both. All three also give defendants the right to confront witnesses brought by the prosecution. They all give defendants the right to compulsory process, or the power to compel witnesses on behalf of the defendant to show up to court. While the U.S. Constitution mandates that defendants be indicted by a grand jury for capital or infamous offenses, the Texas Constitution and Code of Criminal Procedure go farther and require grand jury indictments for all felonies, not just for capital or infamous crimes. So let's review these rights provided by the Texas Constitution and Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, many of which are also found in the U.S. Constitution. Speedy public trial, impartial jury, notice or to know what you're being charged with, a written copy of the notice or charges against you, to be heard by yourself, counsel, or both, to confront prosecution witnesses, the power of compulsory process, and finally, the right to be indicted by grand jury for felonies.